Hello, I am Pratik and today I am going to talk about Lenovo 130 USB Optical Compact Mouse. This is a wireless compact mouse which can easily slide into your pocket, backpack or laptop bag without any mess. Detangling mouse cables when you are in a hurry can be frustrating. This wireless design makes your life easier. This mouse has 1000 dpi sensitivity which seamlessly glides between the tasks and it is perfect for casual or corporate use. It works on a 2.4 GHz network and can be connected through a nano USB receiver. This receiver fits into the mouse body with the battery for easy transportation. This mouse works with single AA battery which can last up to 10 months. This mouse has small switch to turn on and off, but it also automatically shuts down if not in use for a long time. This mouse has plug and play feature which works with Windows, Mac, Linux and Android operating systems. This mouse has an ambidextrous design which fits in the palms of left-handed as well as right-handed people perfectly. This mouse has a life of 3 million clicks and it comes with 3 years of warranty. That's it from me in this video. I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.